Welcome. Today, we're going to take a journey through time to explore the fascinating history of computers, an invention that has revolutionized our world and continues to shape the future. From ancient tools used for basic calculations to the powerful interconnected machines we use today, the evolution of computers is a story of innovation, progress, and discovery. Let's dive in. The history of computers begins long before the digital age. The first computing devices were simple tools used for calculations. One of the earliest known tools is the abacus, dating back thousands of years. Used by ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Chinese, the abacus helped with arithmetic, and it can be considered one of the first computing aids fast forward to the 17th century. And we begin to see mechanical devices that are closer to the idea of a computer. One of the key figures in this development was Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and inventor who created the Pascalin in 1642. It was a mechanical calculator designed to add and subtract numbers, one of the earliest efforts to automate arithmetic tasks. In the 19th century, another major milestone in the history of computers took place with the creation of Charles Babbage's analytical engine. Babbage, often called the father of the computer, designed this mechanical machine, which had many features of modern computers, like an arithmetic logic unit, control flow through conditional branching, and memory. Although it was never completed during his lifetime, the analytical engine is widely regarded as the first concept of a general-purpose computer. The 20th century saw major breakthroughs that moved us closer to the computers we use today. In the 1930s and 1940s, engineers and scientists like Alan Turing, John Atanasoff, and Konrad Zuse began developing electronic computing machines. Turing, for instance, formulated the concept of the Turing machine, a theoretic that laid the groundwork for modern computer science. The first true electronic computer was the ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, completed in 1945. It was massive, weighing 30 tons and taking up 1,800 square feet of space, but it was capable of performing complex calculations much faster than earlier mechanical machines. The next step in computer evolution came with the development of the poist-ade transistors in 1947, which replaced vacuum tubes and allowed computers to become smaller, more reliable, and more efficient. This development paved the way for the creation of the microprocessors in the 1970s, marking the beginning of personal computers. In the 1980s, computers became accessible to the general public with the advent of personal computers, PCs, like the IBM PC and Apple Macintosh. These machines changed the way people lived and worked, leading to the widespread use of computers for home, education, and business purposes. The digital revolution didn't stop there. In the 1990s, the Internet emerged as a global network, connecting millions of computers and transforming how we communicate, share information, and conduct business. The rapid development of mobile devices, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence has continued to push the boundaries of what computers can do. And here we are today, with computers that fit in the palm of our hands, capable of connecting us to the world in real time, performing complex tasks, and even learning on their own. The history of computers is far from over. In fact, we are just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. The past has laid a strong foundation, and the future is full of endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of computers. And remember, the next big leap in technology might just be around the corner.